Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You already know a few linkers, now use them. Begin by sorting connectors into 4 groups: addition, contrast, cause, and result. Once grouped, write 5 quick sentences that pair a main clause with a connector. For example, use because to show cause and but to show contrast. Make sure to vary short and long clauses so rhythm changes. This first step builds pattern recognition, which makes later substitution and expansion much easier and faster. Now expand. Take a basic sentence and add a second clause using a different connector to control flow and meaning. Once done, transform simple links into stronger ones, change and to an addition or so to therefore, so ideas sound precise. Practice combining 2 or 3 connectors in a single paragraph while checking punctuation. Commas for clauses, semicolons before conjunctive adverbs. This middle phase trains you to manage rhythm and logic. Make sure to read aloud to hear natural connections and adjust where needed. Finish by polishing sentences. Read each line aloud and listen for smooth transitions. If something sounds choppy, replace the connector or break it into 2 sentences and then rebuild with a different linker. Make sure punctuation matches the connector. Use commas with coordinating conjunctions and semicolons with conjunctive adverbs. If problems persist, simplify to one clear connector and then add complexity slowly. Troubleshooting tip: when you hear a comma splice, stop, correct punctuation, and choose a stronger connector to repair meaning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.